Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remotely ring the lost or missing Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So if you know your phone is somewhere around the house but you can't actually find it, you can actually go on to your computer or another mobile device and you can remotely ring your device. So here's how you can do it. So let's say I have lost this mobile. It is in a couch or somewhere. So I would go to another mobile phone or a computer, and you want to go into find my mobile.samsung.com, and in here you want to tap on the sign in button. Now you need to put in your email address and the password. So I'm going to put in the password. Okay, so sign in. Now once you have signed in, then the map will immediately shows the location of the device. Now if you wait for the menu to come up, there is a ring button. So you tap on ring and that will ring the mobile phone. So tap on ring. Let's say your phone will ring for 1 minute at maximum volume, even if it's set to vibrate or mute. And you can see right here, it's quite loud. It's ringing at the maximum level. And once you locate it, you can tap on the dismiss button, and that's it. So that's how you can ring your missing or lost Samsung Galaxy S21 series remotely on a computer or on a different mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.